This is our knife.
This is our banana knife.
No, no. We need to do a hey mate.
Hey mans!
Hey,
Hey there mans!
Okay. Hey mate.
Hey mans! No. And look at the camera. 3 and 2 and 1.
Hey.
Go on.
Hang on, I can't get the laughs out.
Okay.
Okay then.
Hey mans! We're gonna do an unboxing of some decks.
So what are we going to do first then?
We are going to open the DJM900 NXS. What?
That's 3. That's 3, French.
Duh. The fucking DJM900 NXS. Duh. Hey mans!
What are we doing?
We are doing an unboxing, dude.
Are we?
Yes,
What?
of decks, Pioneer decks.
Okay.
Pioneer CDJ2000 NXS2 and a DJM900 NXS2.
What are we going to do first?
The DJM.
Let's do the 900.
Go and get the 900.
So here we go.
Fragile.
Fragile.
There you go. Banana it. Banana face. Mind the fingers. Mind the fingers.
The banana knife. DJM900.
Mental. Fingers. Always remember. Fingers. Fingers. We all have fingers. Let's just strip this. Ready?
There we go. Manipula avec soin. Handle with care. So that's it. That's the DJM900 NXS2. This banana knife is rubbish.
We see in here.
There it is. So that
In
is
here.
by the foamy stuff.
There you go. What's that thing?
That is a USB 2 lead. European.
Pointless plug. A
Yeah,
PP.
a European IEC lead. Oh no! Hang on a minute. What have we got here? And we have a UK version
The good plug.
in the box.
The best plug.
What else we got here? Is that instruction manual?
Yeah.
So there's your instruction manual.
Don't need that.
Right then. You hold the unit. I'll take this.
Pull the film. Get rid of the box.
Empty box.
Empty box. Cut. So, come on then. Oh. Gently.
That is a thing of beauty. So there it is.
No, up the correct way.
Here. DJ. There it is.
Cuddle it. Give it a cuddle. The knobs feel good. Feel the knob.
No.
Feel this knob.
No.
Go on.
The XLR ports are quite spiky.
Feel this knob.
It's very nice actually. It's very well built. Something you'd expect again.
It's quite a matte finish on this.
Yeah. Give it a There you go. Here we are. Usual faders. Steel top. Very, very nice. So what you've got is your typical stuff if you were on a typical 900 before. Nothing layout really has changed. Obviously you've got now A and B, MIDI controls, A and B for 2 different laptops. Looks quite good, those buttons. They feel nice. Crossfader, new type of crossfader, the Magvel fader, which we've got on the RZ. Very nice, feels nice. Nice. Lots of different controls. Got a helix on here. Final break now. First impressions. Usual build quality from Pioneer. looks like it's ready for the road.
Stroke it.
Just yet another little stroke.
It.
Yeah, yeah. Just try to power it up. Little difference from the 900 Nexus. This one has curve faders on the channel faders. Booth monitor, same as 900 Nexus. Mic controls, pretty much the same.
Yep.
Sound color effects, again space, dub echo, sweep. That's a new one. Noise, crusher, and a filter are the same. The effects section, obviously, this is new. This send and return thing. Again, these sliders feel good. Great thing about these inputs at the top here, which you can see, obviously you can select between one computer and another on any channel.
Awesome.
So you switch over if you're using other software, and it's just full of possibilities with anyone else or any DJs or backup. If you had backup systems there, you can just switch over to one, straight over to that line.
Super nice.
Nice.
Yep.
Actually, these feel
They are
remarkable.
bigger. They are bigger.
They are bigger, but they feel very smooth with the click in the middle.
Yep.
So you've got beat effects actually as a selectable on the
channel.
mics as well. What I've read here, this looks all kind of new. Can't wait to sort of have a look at this, but you can apparently plug in a USB to like an iPad or some sort of other application that you want to affect.
As a send and return.
Yeah, but just for an USB, which is great for DJs.
And this X-Pad has changed.
The actual centre bit is slightly lower than the rest of it, so you know that you're in the groove. This is a new feature on the 900. This was I used to use this on the 2000, but now they've introduced that on the 900. Here we go then. So this is what we got now. We've got the CDJ2000 NXS2.
I'm gonna bring it.
Yeah. In the box. We've removed one just to make this a little bit quicker. It's there in the box. Get the knife. Yes.
Nine fingers. Careful.
There you go. Push that out of there.
CDJ2000 NXS2.
New Manipula of X1. Made for iPod, iPhone and iPad.
Careful. Watch the fingers.
I had my fingers away.
Always cut away from yourself.
I'm cutting them towards
Always.
you. I'm cutting it.
Don't cut towards people. That's better. No.
Away.
Away.
Away. Away.
Away. Nice action. Look at that. Nice box action. Look at that. One finger.
So, here we are.
Really?
What's in the box, Joe?
I think it's CDJ. I think it is. So, we've got
cheese.
It's a big bit of cheese. It's a big cheese.
There's cheese.
A whole wheel of cheese. In this pouch, here we have a phono cable, one of these, or a LAN cable, or a Cat5, or a Cat5 or Ethernet cable, depending on how nerdy you are. And we have some sort of instruction manual that we won't read. We got a awesome UK plug.
What's that one then?
And this is
Not so awesome.
a rubbish Euro. It's not a very good plug.
Okay, so
Here we
again,
go.
Pioneer, foamy stuff. Better not do that same thing again.
Smooth. Remove the sheets.
I can already see the screen.
You can
It's
already
bigger.
see it.
Let's
So-
unwrap it.
Dex! Dex!
Ah, it's got a little
Inside.
key there to get your lodged CD out.
That's a CD
I've
notch
never
key.
used one of those. It's got look and see a little sneaky non-slip rubber sort of foot there.
Have it on the tape. Remove the tape gently. As not to damage the lovely matte paint finish.
Yeah,
oh,
look at that.
and the screen is all shiny.
Whoa, it looks kind of more stealth-like,
It
doesn't
looks
it?
like a stealth bomber. Look at these little bits. You can't see it.
Look at this.
Upside down.
Upside down. Looks very, very stealth-like. Looks actually quite similar, this does, to the old Mark III, doesn't it?
Yeah, the fact does.
And it is a pressure-sensitive one, not the magnetic type as you would normally expect. CDJ2000. Lovely. There you go. Pioneer CDJ2000 NXS.
Yeah. The screen is massive.
Yep. And it's touchscreen apparently.
This new little section up on the left of the screen there, Dean.
This section here.
This is all brand new
This
design.
is all new.
And the hot cues.
Yep. There is apparently 8 now. And loop, so you can hot cue, hot loop. And the general layout down here is very similar to the 2000 Nexus and the 2000. Just extra cues. Again, similar jog wheel. Fader there, no click in the middle.
Not a fan
Master
of that.
tempo, beat sync, usual sound.
Shit.
Looking at the new CDJ2000 NXS2. This, I don't remember the other one being silver, Joe.
It
Feels
looks
nice,
lovely.
feels smooth,
Feels classic.
classic, usual things. And I think that
Looks classic.
it looks classic. It's what everybody knows, but with extra features, i.e. hot cues, 8 of them, reverse slip. See, then you've got upward, gives you the reverse slip, and reverse gives you the usual reverse. Feels nice. Usual jog adjust. So the heavy one is as you would expect,
Heavy.
heavy, and the light is very nice. Same feeling. Everything else seems pretty much the same as the 2000 Nexus, with these extra features. Obviously the touch screen, there is no strip across here now, that's all part of the screen. SD card, similar thing, USB port, and then this on the back, connection wires, usual thing, audio out, link out, USB. IEC, standard IEC, nothing unusual there. But the internals apparently, in terms of sound card, is different. Okay, we're booting up. Ooh.
Nice.
Nice little light show.
What's that screen here?
That is boot up.
Very fast. Right, we're going to do the updates. So here we are. We're going to do the firmware update on the CDJ2000 NXS2. So what we do, power on, USB and reloop all together. Comes up with the default boot up screen. There we go. And it says connect USB storage device. So we do that. This is quite cool. This is a new thing where they got this glowing light that matches obviously the 900 Nexus. Stick that in there, flashes up, it's reading up that, and then there you go, just simple as that. Press the USB, reloop, button on, power on, and just follow the instructions. We're going to update the firmware on the the DJM900 NXS2 mixer. So we hold down the Q on the effects part, the on off and switch on. And that doesn't do it. Must be the old mixer. Here we are, with the Pioneers all set up here.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Let's scratch.
Scratch.
Yeah.
I bet you couldn't even hear that. I reckon that sound wicked if you do it. We're waiting for drivers.
We're waiting for drivers.
7 connection link driver or Windows.
Look at how much your ear bends. One time. No sound. Oh, the trim's down. You fucking banana face. The
He's down.
whole time.
Banana!
Fuck. Mayans.
Mayans, hey Mayans!
Hey Mayans.
So here we are with,
The full setup.
yeah,
CDJ, DJM, CDJ,
Record Box DJ
NXS2
in performance mode, and
Yep.
we're going to do it actually also in export mode. Very responsive. So here we are with the Nexus 2 setup. Record Box DJ connected to the Nexus 2s. You can see it here. Actually very, very responsive. Working nicely there. Scratching's nice. Search facility's great. So here we are.
So there you go, Mayans.
This is our very, very first unboxing.
That's our first unboxing.
And
I'm gonna repeat what you say.
my name
My name is
Joe,
Joe,
and I play
and I play.
the Macarena regularly.
Fuck off.
But there it is. Great kit. It looks great. It feels great. It's everything that you'd expect a Nexus 2 setup to be. It works absolutely brilliantly with Record Box Performance DJ. We've also had it running on export mode. Again, that's where the player really starts to shine because you're using the functions like actually on the player. Get them!
Get him!
Get 'em!
Get him!
Yeah!
Get Dex!
Get them!
Dex!
Get them!
Dex!
Yeah!
Dex!
Get
Dex! Yeah!
Yeah!
Eh!
Get them!
Eh!
Get them!
Eh!
Get them! They look like tiny. It looks like I've got a giant hand. It does, it looks tiny. It looks tiny against my head. The decks look massive. So there you go, there's the deck.